me say then days ago, my life be like yo.
Anyways, today is Saturday. Today is the wedding, and it's currently around 10:42. The church service is supposed to start by 11, but I've showered and everything, but I'm not going for the church service because I want to go to Ikogosi. So I'll be going to Ikogosi. I'll be going alone because the rest of my friends are going to church. So I'll be going to Ikogosi now. I'm waiting for my car to come pick me up. Hey guys, so I'm ready to go, and this is what I'm wearing. Wearing this shirt from my best friend. I'm wearing these pants. But inside I'm wearing my bikini. You guys can see. So this is how I'm going now. I'm carrying this Zara bag. And yeah, I'll see you guys soon. This was us on our way to Ikogosi. Ikogosi was the first place we went to. So today I'm basically visiting 2 tourist attractions in Ekiti State, and I'm taking you guys along with me, and I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Ekiti State has so many tourist attractions, and also the neighboring states around like Osun State, they have their own tourist attractions. But today I'm going to the warm spring, and there's just a mystery about this warm spring, and after that we're going to Arinta Waterfalls.
Let's go. Yeah, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it.
It was so lonely. The road was like some parts, like you could see houses and all around, but you see those places that were filled up with bushes and rocks and mountains. It was so lonely and it was so scary. Like when we got to this part, when we were close to Ikogosi, I was so happy. Good afternoon. Thank you. Let's go. I'm going to look for a tour guide.
This water is supposed to be very, very clean. We have used like to yama everywhere.
That's it.
So you can just watch it. Okay. This side is warm, that side is cold.
What side is cold?
Yeah, go there. Go to that place.
Okay, let me drop this.
Stand on that rock that is pointing. Which one you have hands to do? That side. That's cold, right? That is cold. So I'm trying to move your hands together. Then you see your exact position. Okay. Look behind you. Look at this one. The little point is sitting beside that truck so that you want to snap beautiful picture.
We're going to the warm, to where the warm and warm meets, right? Okay.
That's cold and warm.
We just left where cold and warm meet, and I met these beautiful children.
Meeting point. No,
Okay.
you soon get it.
Cold and cold meeting point. To recap the story, so apparently there was this man that had 2 wives. One was hot-tempered, one was cold-tempered, and they didn't get along very well. So one day, due to their disagreements, the man was not happy. He spoke to them. They both turned into water, and that's why we have the hot spring, the hot water, and the cold water, and they never touch. That's the mystery about it. I wonder how they never meet. Like, I touched it and they were not meeting.
And warm.
Okay.
Who walk to that? Like where the water is coming from.
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
No, you still get the water.
So what makes some parts hot and some cold?
Only mommy.
That understands that one.
Yeah. Because
Okay.
I'm also a student.
Oh, okay.
I don't know everything, but from history, we
Yeah.
heard that this was like Ikogosi, like the warm spring that from history. That there was a man that he has 2 wives.
Okay.
One was cold,
What was hot?
one was
Calm.
one was calm,
Yeah.
and the other one was all this temper.
Hot-tempered. Okay.
I mean, yeah, that was so we get the
Okay.
I don't know if you notice that
Yeah.
this hot water
Yeah.
kind of, how would I say it? I don't know how to, like it's not calm, yeah.
Yeah.
Put it that way, like,
Okay.
it's not calm. It is rocking and making sound.
Yeah.
But for the
cold one
water,
is
the other
cool.
time, when we get to the cold and cold, you will see that everywhere, like the water is calm,
Okay.
going slowly, no noise. But this one, I don't know how to do it.
I understand. Yeah. I
Now
understand.
go there, snap pictures, have fun.
Okay. Let me see. Guys, my hair is a mess. These children that I met, they scattered my hair, but they are such lovely kids. They're all in SS1, SS2. They came for excursion, just to chill. So the pool is over there, but I'm not going to be going to the pool. If I can, I'll show you guys where the pool is. Right now, I'm going to where cold and cold meet. Then from there, I'll probably go home or go to Arinta if I can. I know it's not far from here, but if you can take me to Arinta, I want to just take bikini pictures. But if not, I'll just go straight because time is going. I need to get back to the hotel now. I'm going to cold and cold. Don't worry. I'm not going close. I'll just show them.
No. But you can talk
Because I'm
so that you
rushing.
see the difference. And hot. This is the cold. Meeting point for cold and cold swimming. It's good. You can touch it.
I've already touched it. In that side.
No, this one is different.
It's
like
colder.
colder than the other side. So this is so cold.
It's so cool. It's almost like put water in the fridge. The water is not so clean again because they've entered. just left Ikogosi and we were going to Arinta. I decided to stop by there because I really want to take pictures by the waterfall. I mean, that's what my bikini is for. But yeah, let's go there and let's see how it goes. I'll see you guys later. Guys, the road to Arinta was more lonely than the road to Ikogosi, if I do so say myself. So the road to Arinta was like almost 30 minutes, about 20 minutes journey. I thought it was like 10, but it was about 20 minutes journey from Ikogosi, and the road was so lonely and I was scared because there are herdsmen all around. So if you're going, make sure you go with someone. Dangerous, scary stuff, but I can see the water already. It's like I'm the only one here with this guy that's sticking. So I was so scared because I was the only one here and there was just me, I and this guy. The driver waited outside the gate. Well, the guy told me the story about this place. He said there was a hunter that found this place, the waterfall, and then decided to build a town close to it. So they call it Arinta because first they named it after the hunter. Then apart from that, also the water passes through rock. That's why they call it Arinta. That's water that passes through rock. Water so beautiful, so cold. This place was so cold. I'm not even gonna lie, I've never seen something this beautiful. I've never seen nature this beautiful. God is great. Like the water is literally like coming through the rocks. I don't know where it's coming from. Apparently there are like 7 layers and this was just the first, but I had to rush and go back. That's operating and there was no queue, luckily for us, but they have an issue with their gen. They're trying to fix it, and yeah, I got this drink. Where's the fire? There's fire in the bush. It's crazy. The fire is wild though, except they're burning it on purpose, but like this crazy fire. Because I couldn't vlog me getting ready and going for the wedding because I got back late. But yeah, after that we went to get to eat and then we're going out. We might go out with that tonight. But that's the update. Yeah, I'm so tired though. I'll see you guys later.
Our last night come on, come here.
So it's night. My papa's not totally gone. It's night and we're about to sleep. We just got back from like the party. Yesterday was supposed to be Bachelor's Eve, but we didn't have a Bachelor's Eve, so we did it tonight. Should I say tonight because it's already another day? Anyways, we're done and I'm about to sleep, so I'm going to be ending this vlog here. Thank you guys for watching my video. Don't forget guys to like, subscribe and share. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please drop a comment in the comment section. If you watch this video up until this point, just type I saw it to the end, or just type I saw it at the end of the, just type it in the comment section. Let any other person that did not watch the end, let them not understand our code. So just type I saw it in the comment section. I'll see you guys.
People in his day that even those that killed him said this is a righteous man. He was judging himself and saying